We're going to continue on a couple more examples for the assignment for today. Number 6 says, the numbers in the table have been rounded to new numbers. Place an X to show whether each number was rounded to the nearest 10 or nearest 100. So I'm going to start by looking at the new number, and I'm going to circle the zeros. Then I'm going to underline the digit to the left. I think this one might be rounded to the tens place. So I'm going to come over here in the original number and check to see if I am right. I'm going to underline the 3. I'm going to circle the 7. And I'm going to say my song, 0 to 4, nope. 5 to 9, yes. 7 is 5 to 9, so that means the 6 would climb the vine. So I am correct. This answer, if I rounded to the tens, would be 640. So I'm going to put an X in rounded to the nearest 10. The next one, 1,324, I'm going to look at our new number, 1,320. There's a 0 in the ones place, and there's still a 2 in the tens place. So now I'm going to come over and I'm going to check to see if it was rounded to the tens place by circling the tens place and the number to the right of it. 0 to 4, the 2 would stay on the floor. So if I rounded this to the 10, it would be 1,300. So I'm going to put an X in the rounded to the nearest 10 as well. The last one has 2 zeros in it. I'm going to actually circle both of them and underline the first digit that's not 0. So that would be the 2. I'm going to come over here. So now that I underlined the one in the hundreds place, I'm going to check to make sure this was rounded to the hundreds by circling the 2 in the hundreds place. Underline the 2 in the hundreds place and circling the 4 in the tens place. In the tens place, I have a number that's 0 to 4, so the 2 would stay the same or stay on the floor. So that one was rounded to the nearest hundreds place. Last one, number 8, says round the number to the nearest 10. Type your answer in the first box. So if I round my number to the nearest 10, that means I have to underline my tens place, circle my ones place, and then I have to say my song. 0 to 4, yep, 2 is 0 in between 0 to 4. So that means my 7 is going to stay on the floor. All of the digits to the left stay the same, and the digits that I circled and to the right become zeros. So my first answer would be 17,370. Next it says round the number to the nearest 100. Type your answer in the second box. So now I'm going to underline the number in the hundreds place, and I'm going to circle the number in the tens place. I will say my song again and look at the number I circled. 0 to 4? Nope. 5 to 9? Yep. 5 to 9 makes this 3 climb the vine. So then that 3 will climb the vine to 4. I will keep my digits to the left, and I'm going to make the digit I circled and the digits to the right zeros for an answer of 17,400.